Can AI truly be smarter than humans? It's one of the most debated questions of our time. On one hand, artificial intelligence already outperforms us in speed, accuracy, and memory. On the other, humans possess creativity, intuition, and consciousness, qualities that machines still struggle to replicate. Today, we're diving deep into the question, can AI be smarter than humans? And if so, what does that actually mean? Let's start with where AI already surpasses human ability. Think about raw data processing. A modern AI system can scan through billions of documents in seconds. For example, Google's AI models can analyze entire libraries of medical research faster than a team of doctors could in a lifetime. When it comes to crunching numbers, identifying patterns, and making predictions from data, AI is already ahead. Take chess as another example. Back in 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated Garry Kasparov, the reigning world champion. Since then, AI has grown dramatically more powerful. Today's systems like AlphaZero don't just memorize strategies, they learn from scratch, often beating even the strongest human grandmasters after only a few hours of training. That's a clear case where AI is already smarter, at least in a very narrow field. But intelligence isn't just about calculations or winning games. Humans are unique because of our ability to reason abstractly, imagine new possibilities, and create art, music, and culture. AI can mimic these outputs, but does it truly understand them? When you see an AI-generated painting or listen to music composed by an algorithm, it can be beautiful. But behind it, there's no self-awareness, no emotional connection, just patterns learned from data. This brings us to an important distinction: narrow intelligence versus general intelligence. Current AI systems are narrow. They're specialists. They can be brilliant in one task but useless outside of it. A facial recognition system can identify millions of faces with near-perfect accuracy, but ask it to write a poem or solve a puzzle, and it fails completely. Humans, on the other hand, have general intelligence. We can adapt, switch contexts, and learn entirely new skills with relatively little information. So, could AI ever achieve general intelligence, something that matches or surpasses the flexibility of the human mind? Many experts believe it's possible. This is often referred to as artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Predictions vary widely. Some say AGI could emerge within a few decades, while others think it might never happen. Let's imagine what that would look like. Suppose an AI could not only play chess but also cook dinner, learn a new language, repair a car, and comfort a grieving friend, all without being retrained for each task. That would be closer to human-level intelligence. And if such an AI could learn and improve itself at an exponential rate, it might eventually become superintelligent, far beyond our capabilities. There are already glimpses of this potential. Models like GPT-4 and GPT-5 can generate human-like text, solve complex problems, and even help design new scientific experiments. In drug discovery, AI systems are already proposing novel molecules that human researchers hadn't considered. In physics, AI is helping scientists uncover hidden patterns in massive data sets, accelerating discoveries that could have taken decades. But we must ask, does being smarter in certain domains actually make AI smarter than humans overall? Intelligence isn't just a matter of processing power. It's also about judgment, ethics, and wisdom. For example, an AI might be able to optimize a business to maximize profit, but without ethical guidelines, it could make harmful choices, like exploiting workers or damaging the environment. That's where human intelligence still plays a vital role. Let's talk about memory. Human memory is imperfect. We forget details, distort experiences, and are prone to bias. AI, on the other hand, can store and recall information with perfect accuracy. In theory, an AI could remember everything ever written, every piece of music, every scientific experiment, and use it to make connections humans would never notice. This makes AI an incredible tool for augmenting human intelligence, even if it isn't truly conscious. But what about creativity? AI-generated art has won competitions, and AI-written scripts are already being used in films. Is that true creativity or just mimicry? The debate continues. Many argue that creativity requires a spark of consciousness, an awareness of meaning, something AI doesn't have. Others say creativity is simply the recombination of ideas in new ways, which AI can definitely do, often faster than humans. Now, let's address the fear. If AI becomes smarter than humans, does that mean it will control us? The answer depends on how we design, regulate, and align these systems. If left unchecked, AI could be misused, spreading misinformation, automating weapons, or making biased decisions. But if guided carefully, AI could become a partner that helps us solve the world's hardest problems, from climate change to curing diseases. Here's a fascinating example. AlphaFold, an AI developed by DeepMind, cracked one of biology's grand challenges, predicting protein structures. This problem had stumped scientists for decades, but AI solved it in a matter of years, opening the door to breakthroughs in medicine. That's AI being smarter than humans in a highly specialized area, but instead of replacing us, it gave us tools to advance human knowledge. It's also worth mentioning emotion and empathy. Humans connect through shared experiences, feelings, and culture. AI can simulate empathy. It can analyze your words and tone, then generate a comforting response. But does it truly feel anything? The consensus is no, machines don't feel joy, sadness, or love. And that emotional depth is what makes us uniquely human. So let's revisit the question, can AI be smarter than humans? In some ways, it already is. In raw processing speed, memory, and pattern recognition, AI leaves us in the dust. In narrow domains, it can outperform the best experts alive. But in terms of consciousness, creativity, morality, and adaptability, humans still hold the crown. The real challenge is not whether AI can be smarter, but how we define intelligence in the first place. If intelligence means the ability to solve problems, AI is rapidly catching up. If it means understanding meaning, having self-awareness, and making wise choices, we're not there yet. What's more likely is a future of collaboration. Humans and AI working together, combining strengths. We bring empathy, judgment, and creativity. AI brings speed, memory, and precision. Together, the combination could unlock possibilities we've only dreamed of. Imagine doctors diagnosing diseases with AI assistance, teachers using AI to personalize education for every child, and scientists discovering new forms of energy with AI's help. This isn't AI being smarter than humans, it's AI making humans collectively smarter. In the end, the question might not be will AI be smarter than humans, but how will humans and AI shape the future together? Because if we play it right, the smartest thing we can do is build a partnership, not a competition. So what do you think? Is AI destined to surpass us completely, or will humanity always hold the edge because of qualities machines can't replicate? Whatever your answer, one thing is certain. The story of AI and human intelligence is only just beginning.